Wait. Is this Lex? It's Astrostetics. Let's get it, baby. Jeezy and Jeannie Mai. They situation is getting crazy. Let's talk about this. So, for y'all that don't know, Jeezy and Jeannie Mai, they're going through their divorce proceedings. They're saying that they've been separated for a while. They also have a baby daughter. And Jeezy is saying that Jeannie Mai, she's been keeping him away from the daughter. As well, the prenuptial agreement that she signed, she's asking the judge to hold up on it. And I'm like, wait, can you redact? Is it possible to redact the signed prenuptial agreement? You can, if you was like held hostage or like under duress or under pressure. And that's pretty much what Jeannie Mai is trying to cite. She's pretty much saying that the time frame that she had to sign it, it was rushed and she couldn't process the information. I'm paraphrasing, but they were saying that the time frame of her signing it, she didn't have enough time and she didn't get to properly look through Jeezy's accounting and check his financial document. Unless you trying to prove that Jeezy is a fraud, but to feel like you're entitled to any of his funds, it's like, yeah, maybe once a month, but I mean, that's young Jeezy. He's built what he's built by himself. Well, I don't want to say he's built what he's built by himself. You know, I'm sure he had help. It's still like you wasn't there with him from the jump. So I think that's a bit crazy to ask for. That's just my personal opinion. But let's look at what's going on. I don't really see Jeannie Mai all over the place, right? I'm not trying to knock her work or her work ethic. But we know Jeezy. We know what Jeezy does. So unless you're trying to prove that he's a fraud, he's not making any type of bread off his millions of platinum selling albums, you signed it, mommy. You signed it. You signed it. Them lawyers, they about to just have a field day, and it actually says that they wasn't trying to have the proceedings take too long. So if you agree to that, why are you trying to not agree? And this is also your second marriage, mommy. This is not your first runaround. You've been married before. You know how marriage proceeding works. Or I would think you do. So I think that this is just her a bit triggered, reactive to the situation. And you don't know, it could be the lawyers in her head. It could maybe even be the family. They like, yo, what are we gonna do? Like, you don't see like a recession might be coming up. The election is this year. Hollywood is reorganizing itself. Like, yo, we need that money. I'm not saying that she's trying to come after Jeezy's pockets, but I mean, look, she don't got no ad-libs on none of his songs that I heard. She ain't give him no hook when she was only there for like 2 years, y'all. And they have an amazing young baby, and that's it, right? So however they would deal with that in the court, that may be where they're gonna go, but that's what she signed up for. This is not her first marriage, y'all. So if you forgot that you should look over a prenuptial agreement, or if your lawyer and that's one thing that she said, the lawyer misrepresented her, or that's something that she tried to put in there, something about misrepresentation, but you still signed it. So that's that. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure y'all have a great one. All right, yeah.